everybody. Today we are going to learn a new lesson which will be very easy and fun for you. Let's start together. Today we have two new friends who want to see you. Let's know who are they. The first one is called do, and the second one is called does. So the first friend is called do, and the second one is called does. Okay, let's know the story of each. Do is a very kind friend, and she is a friend of the quiet family. She's always smiling. She never does anything. So, this is do. Do you remember who are the members of the quiet family? Of course! I, you, we, and they. Now, let's know who is does. Does is a hungry friend. She is a friend of the noisy family. She's always opening her mouth like that. She always wants to eat. So, let's see who are the friends of does. She is a friend of the noisy family. Do you remember who are the members of the noisy family? Excellent! She, he, and it. Excellent, guys. Now, why do we call does the hungry friend? Because whenever she sees the S in any verb, she eats it very quickly. She eats it very quickly. She's always hungry. We use do or does to ask questions. Now, let's get an example. We have do or does, and the example is yes, they live in London. Now, guys, I want you to turn this sentence into a question. So, first, you have to think. Look at they. They belongs to the quiet family or the noisy family? Of course, to the quiet family. So, are you going to use do or does? Tremendous! Of course, do. So now, make a question to the given answer, please. Yes, they live in London. It will be do they live in London? And don't forget the question mark. Okay? Okay. Now, let's have another example. Yes, she likes ice cream. Now, I want you to make a question to this sentence. Think well. Look at she. She is a friend to the quiet family or to the noisy family? Of course, belongs to the noisy family. So, what are you going to use? Do or does? Of course, does. So now, make a question to the given answer. Yes, she likes ice cream. It will be, does she like ice cream? Now, guys, tell me, where is the S, the letter S in the verb likes? This letter S, who ate it? Of course, our hungry does. Of course, our hungry does. Now, guys, let's open your vocabulary and grammar booklet and start to answer all the questions. Now, open page 33 in your vocabulary and grammar booklet. Okay, now, I want you to circle all do and does that you see in the page. Okay, let's go here in the first part. Do you like hot days? This is the question. If you want to answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Remember that you in the question is I in the answer. Let's go to the second question. Does she make apple pie? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Okay, here circle do and does. Our new friends. You can here draw the kind do and here the hungry does. So, do we or they? The short answer will be yes. Yes, we or they do. And when we have the negative, we must put not. Same for does. Now, guys, let's go here. Remember, do I in the question? Yes, you do in the answer. Do you in the question? It will be I in the answer. Let's go to page 34. Look and read, then circle yes or no questions. Now, I want you to circle all the questions with do or does. Do you like chicken? Yes, I do. Does Anna want to play tennis? Yes, she does. Do they play PlayStation? No, they don't. Does Rommel read comic books? Yes, he does. Now, let's move to exercise 2. Complete. We have in the box, this is homework. We have in the box do and does. Number 1, space the duck quack. Tell me, guys, the duck means we or they or it or she or what? Excellent, it. So it is the friend of the quiet family or the noisy family? Of course, to the noisy family. Now, what are you going to use, do or does? Of course, does. Number 2, space, he played the piano. Look at he. Then choose what are you going to put, do or does. The, space, they build a snowman. Look at they and choose do or does. You jump off the bench. Look at you and choose do or does. Turn the page. Page 35. Make a question. Yes, she likes onion soup. So what are you going to use, do or does? Look at she. Of course, does. So does she like onion soup? And don't forget the question mark. Guys, tell me where is the S in the verb? Likes. Who ate it? our hungry does. Number 2, they don't play basketball. So what are you going to use? Look at they. Of course, do. So do they play basketball? And don't forget the question mark. No, he doesn't buy a new car. Look at he. Of course, you're going to use does. So does he buy a new car? And don't forget the question mark. Yes, I eat cheese. Remember, guys, I in the question, you in the answer. So, do you eat cheese? And don't forget the question mark. Yes, she bakes a cake. Look at she. What are you going to use? Do or does? Excellent. So does she bake or bakes? Of course, bake, because our hungry does ate the S. And don't forget the question mark. Oh, sorry. Now, guys, go to question number 3. Answer the following questions. Do you read books? So you in the question will be excellent. I in the answer. So yes, I do. And full stop. If I want to say no, so no, I don't. Number 2. Does she dance in the party? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. Now, guys, let's go to page 36. Number 3, do they make a swing? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Just a minute. Okay, let's say the answer together. It will be yes, they make, they do, or no, they don't. Number 4, do they play soccer? Yes, they do, or no, they don't. And now I can write the answer here. Here they do, and here they don't, as we said. Does it eat small animals? Yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. Okay. Now, guys, we have finished our lesson. I wish you enjoyed it. Thank you, and wait for the next lesson.